Farmers often have the choice to swath or straight cut when harvesting, depending on the crop. To see the work that was done not only inside the cab, but outside from the air, it was something else to see. Swathing will quickly help dry down a crop for harvest, but if straight combined, a desiccant may need to be applied. You never realize how much there is to do or to work until you reach a different height and see the difference between the swathed and unswathed. It was something I wanted to share with you to also see the amount of time that is devoted to cut a field for the next stage, which was combining.